Welcome back, kindergartners. This week our garden word is map. M-A-P, map. I'm in Texas right now, and I want to let you know how some plants are the same, but some garden plants are different in Texas rather than in Missouri. This is a garden the students have made at Summerwood Elementary School in Houston. You can see in these pictures things that you would find in a garden around Kansas City. Here are some tomatoes still green and hanging on the vine. This is a potato plant. You can see the potato in the ground on the right side. The students are growing many other things, including these carrots. You can see the tops of the carrot plant right here. Let's look at this map of the USA. When you look at the map, the top parts are cooler areas, and it's warmer as you go to the bottom. In the middle, you will see Missouri. Towards the bottom in the middle, you will see Texas. You can see also that the blue areas are not as warm for plants as the green areas. The Meyer Lemon tree is a tree that grows better in Texas rather than in Missouri. It grows in those green areas best. You can see circled with blue is a fruit ready to be picked, and circled in red are fruit that will be ready to grow and be picked later this year. It would be fun to live in a place where even a little girl could pick lemons right from a tree in her backyard. Many of you have eaten avocado. Here you can see one on a tree, but have you ever seen an avocado tree growing in Missouri? I bet you haven't. In warm places like Texas, avocados grow in large groves of trees like the one that you see here. Texas also has some beautiful flowering trees like this Crepe Myrtle. They grow in great abundance in Texas. Here you can see the Crepe Myrtle growing in great abundance along the back of this property. They even have a palm tree. I bet you don't have a palm tree in Kansas City. Next time on Kindergardening, we'll talk about growing all summer. When you travel this summer and in the future, make sure to look and see what kind of gardens and trees and bushes grow in the place you go to that don't grow in the place that you live. My thanks to the Summerwood Elementary School for the good gardening that they do. Here's a link to their school site.